Welcome back, YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and teaching you guys the steps to using chi energy to alter the density of items. In other words, using controlling the chi energy and putting it into an object and changing the matter in that object. So in other words, I'm going to be bending the fork with chi energy. You guys could try this at home, and I want you guys to try this at home so you guys know how simple it is, if done correctly, how you guys can bend solid objects. And I've done thicker spoons or thicker forks in this, but I'm kind of running low on forks since I've been practicing quite a bit on them. So another thing is, sort of a disclaimer, you might use up a lot of forks, so be careful with practicing. So let's get into it. Alright, first off, before I do this, I hold the fork in your hand like this. Hold the fork right here, and you're gonna create a flow of energy above your head, right here. And you're gonna imagine the color of it being orange or red. And close your eyes. This helps a lot. This is what you're supposed to do. Close your eyes and feel this energy, this orange energy flowing above your head. And you're going to take deep breaths, and then when you inhale, you're going to pull this orange energy into your heart chakra, and you're going to spread it down into your arms and into your hands. And when you visualize this energy, you'll start to feel it in your hand and really concentrate on that color. The color helps. Color is orange, so keep that orange color. Just what I do is I imagine orange energy going into my hand, and then feel the fork getting bendy, or like feel it getting softer and almost like melting. Like picture it like if you have like a fire and you do that, picture this fork just getting red, like really hot red. And then once you do that, close your eyes, and you'll actually, to the point where you know when to start bending is when your hands actually get hot and you actually feel this piece of metal turning really hot. So you're going to close your eyes, bring in that orange energy into your arms, and really just concentrate on the fork and wait till it gets really hot. And you'll know when it's time to bend the fork, because you'll feel really hot, and you'll know that the chi energy has been built and surround the object correctly, and that's when you know you're going to bend it. What I do is when it gets really hot, or even just slightly hot, you just bend it and wrap like that. So bend it down and wrap like that. And I guarantee you guys, it's like butter. If done correctly, it feels like butter. It doesn't, like if I do it right now, I could probably still do it, but it's gonna cause strain in my hands. But when using this technique, when filling it with chi energy, it becomes like butter. So I'm gonna do a quick demonstration real quick, and you'll see how I could bend this fork easily with no effort, or little to no effort at all. And feel free to try this, guys, at home. Pause the video. You can do it while the video's paused or after it's over, but I'm just going to do a demonstration on how I do it. And I might put subtitles so you know what's going through, what steps I'm doing. So there you guys have it. I put a little bend in it, couple bends, and I use little energy. But when it's filled with chi energy, it'll be like butter, but after a while it'll start to get harder, and that's when you know you can't bend it anymore. That's why I couldn't do too many turns in here. You guys will know when after you guys test it out. You'll know what I'm talking about. So after you get the energy into the fork, after you get the energy into this fork, I'm going to do it again with this fork. But after you feel it hot, you just go for it. Just start wrapping that around. I take the handle down and start wrapping it like that. But this is chi energy, folks. This fork is still pretty hot right now if you guys feel it. I'm going to do it one more time and try to speed it up. I'm going to try to do this quicker. Pulling in that energy into my throat chakra. See, that time I didn't really get a good bend in there. Just a slight bend right there. But it just takes practice, you guys. Main thing is concentration. The more you concentrate, the less stress you'll have on your hands when actually bending it. And when done correctly, you'll see results. If you guys have questions, just message me. It's kind of hard going through all the steps in my video, but I just touched on some of the basic ideas. You could just practice around, mess with it. Just make sure not to waste your forks, because they do get wasted. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good day. Good luck.